everyone, it's Heather. So I thought I'd show you a couple of my work in progress projects today, and I've got some doodling, little doodle houses. I don't know why, but I'm completely obsessed by little houses at the moment, and this is such a relaxing thing to do, just using some marker with very basic shapes as the background, and then just like we do with a slow stitching, just very basic, almost like stitches using gel pen over the top. And you can see there's no rhyme or reason to any of this other than I just picked out certain colours that I really liked, so then I just doodled over the top, like almost like I was slow stitching into the ink using the gel pens. So that was one little project I've been working on, and this here I'm about to frame up because I really like it. I think it's very cute and I think it will look nice on the wall in my craft room. So this just started off as a colour palette that I really liked, so I picked a few colours and then I started to doodle a few little elements, obviously the little house and a few little flowers, and then I cut them out individually and thought, wouldn't they look nice all collaged up together, maybe a few little elements raised. So I'm going to add those in a moment to a frame, and I'm just going to add some backing card to it. I've just got to figure out which colour I particularly like behind it. It may be this sort of colour that my desk is, so I'll be doing that in a minute. But I thought I'd show you that just because I've not been online for absolutely ages, and it's just really nice to say hi to people and show you what I've been getting up to. Another project I've been doing, I don't know whether you have seen the videos, I might have actually posted them on a different channel, so I'm not entirely sure, but I've been making little paper dolls. So if you haven't seen the video, have a look in the library. There might be some in there of videos that I've done, probably shorts showing these, although I might have uploaded them onto a different channel, so if I remember I will link those anyway. But I just thought with Halloween coming up, I'd do myself a little Wednesday Addams doll. And I don't know whether any of you know, but I've been doing a little short animation course recently, and part of that was paper animation, stop motion. So it was quite cute to be able to make a paper doll. This is a paper doll that I made ages ago, and I just made it a little bit more articulated. So I thought I would make her into a Wednesday Addams for Halloween, and I did a little stop motion on a different channel showing her dancing before she was actually coloured, and then I thought, well, you know what, that's just like Wednesday Addams, so I'll colour her in. So there you go. So that's my little Wednesday Addams doll, and I thought just to keep her company I would make a little Enid Sinclair doll out of one of the other paper dolls I have. So I made this one obviously in the pretty in pink with a little pretty blonde hairdo there, a bit more girly, and then they can be friends, and they're sat on my desk along with some of my other art dolls and bits and bobs that I've got on my desk. So I'll show you a little shot of my desk. I've also got a few of those affirmation cards on my desk at the moment from that pack that I shared in my last video. So that was just really to update you on a couple of the projects that I've got on the go. I hope you're well, and I'd love to see your work in progress projects. So, you know, if you've got anything that you've got on the go, do let me know in the comments below, and then I'll pop over and see your videos as well. And I hope you enjoyed seeing these, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you hopefully soon. So take care, bye.